to go meet Paul at AutoZone. I'm going there to get some oil for my car. Today I'm going to learn how to do my first oil change. So that's going to be kind of exciting for me. I've been wanting to do it for a while, but I haven't really had the time to set aside and actually like learn how to do it. So that's what we're going to do today. It'll be an interesting experience. I'm going to try and film as much as I can so I can show those that maybe don't know how to do an oil change. So catch you guys at AutoZone. Alright, so we are at AutoZone. I'm gonna go inside, meet Paul, and get some good old oil. And we are at AutoZone with Paul, and he's already gathered everything that we need. Yes, he got here 20 minutes before me. So, this is what we're getting. This makes this cheaper, so we're getting this, and we're getting this. And apparently I need 6 quarts, so there we go. Yes.
Good morning, and thank you for choosing our Auburn Mall Startups. Can I get you started with any breakfast pastry items today?
Can I get a double smoked bacon? I'll also have a grande iced white mocha with 5 pumps of white mocha and 2 pumps of cinnamon dolce. And can I have no whipped cream on that?
Of course. 1 second.
I guess to the house. But yeah, you know, I had to get my my coffee. My coffee.
It's so dirty.
Well, keep your car clean, Paul. Step 1, get on the ramps.
Don't look up. That's step 1.
And they're making me drive on the ramp. So this will be interesting, you guys.
We're making you drive your own car up these ramps. Step 2
where to put
to change. Do everything, jump.
Step 1,
have no trucks.
part 2,
Hurts me.
jack the car up.
Yeah. You want to find your jack points since this is your car?
Yes, for
Right.
sure.
I'll take over the vlog now. Ha! I have the camera now. You know what jack points look like?
You are the captain now.
I've always been the
Are you
captain
talking to me?
of this vessel.
I think that's it.
What does it look like? What does it feel like?
It's like a little circle.
Hmm.
I feel like to be famous.
I don't know if there's a circle or not. Like a little hard point underneath there.
It's a circle. Where'd it go?
Where's the car go?
I don't know where it cracked. Oh, she left it in Houston, she said.
Yeah, it's my mom's car.
Clutch.
Or truck.
You see it now.
I would say.
I was gonna buy one. I guess I could just buy one.
How do I make this thing go up?
Gotta close the valve first, twist it.
Twist this part?
No, bottom part.
How do I know if it's closed?
Here, let me see it. Cause I can't
Show me
remember
the
which
way.
way. I think it's this way is closed. Alright. Slowly checking, make sure it hits the point. Okay, it might be at the point of no return. Return. Look at the cut. Look at the cut. Shelby crack kills.
What? Is my crack out?
Yes.
Jesus. I know I should.
That hot vlog footage. Alright, you want the boss to come in and actually show you how it's done?
I think I'm close though. Oh shit.
Alright, we have lots of things in this garage. Way too many projects, and for some reason somebody has a fixation with non-powered bikes.
Now it's time to get Paul's crack.
Paul understands that crack kills. You hella missed that, girl.
I did?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh jeez. It's all the way down there?
Where the triple clamp is.
Triple clamp. I educate what that is.
Triple stamp. Sorry. It's a place where they stamp your frame together 3 times. Crack kills.
Pull the lever, crunk!
Why am I pulling the lever? It's your damn car.
How high does it have to be?
High enough to get the ramps underneath it. High enough for me to get underneath it. Whew, somebody need to lift more. Damn.
I do lift.
Do you even?
Not enough.
I'm a virtual assistant.
Ooh.
Camera, it looks like I'm lifting the car up by myself.
And heave. And heave. Back so I can let your car down. I mean, if she's not, that's a very tentative man.
Don't you assume Siri's gender?
Actually, my Siri is a man.
Oh, okay.
Oh wow, that's odd.
Jeez, Paul, it'd be not on the seat. How dare you assume her gender?
This thing is still mad hot.
The situation back in December,
This thing is still.
the situation with KP.
She might let this cool down a little longer.
How she recovered.
It's still hot?
Yeah, it's still hot as shit.
Hell, he more aware of his
Jesus.
surroundings now.
But he has a valid point. When people walk up in nobody's house cleaning like that and shoot them unless they got a morning.
Yeah, because you shoot somebody 7 times in the stomach, you wanted them to.
So that is where the oil filter was. You just unscrew that. This is the new oil filter. So what you do is you lube the filter with the oil.
And then you insert. No.
Jeez.
I mean, you really do. You have to insert the knob in the hole. Like, I mean, it goes in the hole.
Yes, you
Yeah,
guys.
you put a little bit of lube inside too. If you really want to be just to kind of miss
Why
the
are we
hole.
doing this again?
I always like to get some oil pre in the filter, but like it doesn't really matter what your setup because it actually is a top mount.
Yeah.
That's what
Otherwise,
you're
you'll have oil like leak out the side because the rubber seals will still be dry.
Alright, so I'm underneath the car, everyone. If you can see, this is the oil plug. Is that what it's called?
It's drain plug.
Drain plug! Yeah.
Drain plug, yeah.
And apparently I don't have a panel over it, so anyway. Yeah, so you just take this off and the oil is gonna fall into the oil pan. Okay, so I don't know if y'all can see or how well you can see, but that's the oil pan and the oil is draining very slightly. You can't really see as much anymore, but it's draining. So you just let that drain and then I don't know what's next. I guess you put more oil in it. I don't know. Then you just put the oil filter.
On BRCs, you only do it just about hand tight. They don't have to be super tight.
All right, now that all of the oil has drained and you have placed the bolt back on the little hole down there, you will pour your new oil down the funnel into your little oil thing. I might do this in slow motion. Maybe.
You mean ambergris?
And next you want to get every drop of oil out.
I mean, not
Don't waste it. We don't
That shit's more
waste.
valuable than gold. Every drop. You pull that out of the bubblegum machine.
Ooh. The smell of oil.
Whoop, shit, I missed.
Jeez, you're getting oil everywhere.
It's all going to the same place.
Happens when you're BK.
Ooh, oil.
Could be like that one girl who just poured it all over the engine.
Someone did that.
You never seen that meme? The girl literally takes some fresh oil and just pours it everywhere.
Here, car, have some oil. After you successfully poured the oil into your car, You will put the oil cap back on. That's pretty cool.
Then you wipe off any excess that may have spilled.
And you put the lime and the coconut.
Let's just look at this. Kind of looks like the front end of a Supra. Like this point right here. It's not as pointy, but kind of close. Well, I guess that concludes the oil change. And also shout out to Get Right Customs for the ceramic coating job. Look at my I mean, it shine and it's dirty. She dirty, but she still shine. Period. And also, like, this front bumper has been hit by Farah's ass, and it still is like A1. You can't even tell that he hit it. So that concludes the oil change. Alright, you guys, so we have successfully completed the oil change and dropped off my used oil to Advance, or no, we went to AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts. Their oil thing was full. So anyway, I hope you guys learned a thing or two from the video. Let me know if y'all have any questions. If I can't answer them, I'll ask Paul and then answer them. I really hope that this was informative for people that have never changed their oil in their car before, and I'm looking forward to learning new things in my car. And as y'all are learning, I'm learning at the same time. Like, y'all are seeing me learn this stuff, so I'm really looking forward to doing more to the car. Thank you all for the support. Like, comment, even subscribe. If you've been watching my videos and you're not subscribed, like, bro, what are you doing? Go ahead, subscribe. Turn on the notification bell if that's what you're into, but I'm not gonna be like, do that. But again, thank you guys for the support, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.